Soyez tous les bienvenus à Dakoba French Academy. Now, negative sentences. Function. We are going to see the function of negative sentences. The rule. How do you arrive at a negative sentence? For instance, I am not a girl. I am not a girl. How do we say it in French? You are going to say, je ne suis pas une fille. But why? What is the function of negative sentence? What are the rules you have to respect to be able to transform an affirmative sentence into a negative one? And then we are also going to have some practical examples, such as je ne parle pas chinois. Je ne parle pas chinois. I don't speak or I do not speak Chinese. This is going to be interesting, isn't it? Be with me. Negative sentences. Negative sentences are used to refute. These are the function of negative sentence. They are used to refute or to negate or simply to express negativity. Are you the one who stole my car? No, I am not the one. I have refuted your claim that I stole your car. Voila. Now, the rule. How do we construct negative sentence in using the French language? There are rules to follow. Il y a certaines règles à suivre. Donc, nous avons, pour construire une phrase, ou bien pour transformer une phrase affirmative en une phrase négative, il faut tout d'abord chercher le verbe. To be able to construct or to transform an affirmative sentence into a negative one, the only thing you have to be looking for is the verb. So look at the number one, ne plus. So what are you going to do? You write the ne, you put the verb there, and you put plus here, plus the rest of the statement. So pour construire, pour transformer une phrase affirmative en une phrase négative, il faut tout d'abord chercher le verbe de la phrase. Lorsque tu as le verbe, then, il faut placer le sujet plus le ou bien un apostrophe, plus le verbe et plus le reste de la phrase. Number one, ne plus. Ne plus. That ne plus, that is no longer or not anymore. No longer or not anymore. Je ne fume plus. At first, I smoke. Now, I don't smoke. So, I will say, I no longer smoke. Is that not it? I no longer smoke. In French, you'll have to say, je ne fume plus. So, you can see the ne and the plus. And there's a word in between. That word there is the verb of the sentence. Fume. Fume, to smoke. Fumer, to smoke.